All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group, part 2 here. Part 2, we are in first trade ever, okay? First trade, beginner leverage trade on the BITSEVEN trading platform, how to set your screen up, how to execute this trade, how to use a neat little trick here. Keep your box open. We are still unconfirmed on our first trade ever, okay? For a beginner trader and a side-by-side, this is how I show them to set their screen up, okay? And we've got the candles here. We're right now at 481. Remember when we started part 1, we were at 33,700 looking for an entry, looking for the greens to come back as we get closer towards support. We're now at low-level RSI. We can expect a candle change to come here. Okay, this is why we have the box open. We're waiting to confirm. We're waiting to confirm this trade at a 10x low, low, moderately low. Okay, you can use 5x leverage. And of course, we're down below our target zone. Okay, we are oversold right now. And we're going to wait and see, okay, for what we've got here. Now we're at 453, okay? A little lower in our zone. But remember, we are up here at 680, okay? Top of this zone right here, 680, right? And now we're at 455, okay? So we've got some room here, an air above, right? But it's still falling down here. It's still falling below that level. So until we see just that inkling of a little move back above with buyers coming in, we're going to sit tight, okay? No panic, be the same if we were going to exit a down trade, right? If we were in this trade down as our first trade and we were looking to exit, we'd be waiting for this to fall as low as it possibly could before it turned green, okay? And then exit. On this particular trade, we want to go up, okay? We're going to buy up 434, 436. We're going to wait here. You certainly can cut the difference and take an entry in now, okay, in anticipation of this coming back here in the next 5 to 10 minutes. That's all fine. You're within your zone, okay? And so you've got support underneath and you've got resistance above. You always have that, right? It's the question of the distance in your zone in terms of, okay, it turns here green, right? Well, the resistance then becomes right here at 680-ish, okay? That's a huge range, okay? 430 to 680. And so that's how you want to play these. And you can easily get out anytime. You got plenty of room there to make up whatever P&L percentage is your goal. If it's 15%, 18%, all right, 430, 428. Look at that. See, it's leveling here. Okay. I will make this a comment though towards this. If you were in Ethereum right now and you were looking to enter this below, our threshold for RSI, you would also want to check Bitcoin. Make sure that if you're going up in Ethereum, that Bitcoin is also green, okay? That it is also going up. That is something that will benefit you tremendously in terms of your entries and exits because Ethereum is so tied to Bitcoin that that's how it works. It may lag a candle behind, but they pretty much remain coupled unless something on a macro level in the market forces, comes in that's really targeted for just one of them. But even then, if it's Bitcoin, Ethereum reacts just like yesterday. There was nothing wrong with Ethereum yesterday. It was all Bitcoin. So now we're breaking down lower. We're not forcing our entry. Okay, we're going to approach 400 level. Okay, we've got support down the 200 or so level. So we're fine. Okay, RSI is still leveling off. The book is kind of average at best. And then we're going to look to enter this trade right here coming up, probably 450 or so. We look at it, see this little movement right here. See this little movement? We got a compressed candle. That usually means we're going to get a candled green change here when we see compression like that. But you got to wait on it, okay? So we got little dips. See how this has risen up just a little bit? That's because the value of this has gone up from 420-ish to now 440. So you're starting to see buyers come in. It's going to be compressed, okay? And we're going to sit here and we're going to wait for confirmation. It could still stay red, but 80% of the time, a compressed candle like that turns green. Let's see it happen here. And then, like I said, around 450 or so, right? This is where we're going to pull the trigger if we see green, okay? And, we can always adjust our trade. There's the green right here. Boom, there it is. 444, 442, 437. Still green. Might be able to squeeze it back. Looks like it's compressed. It could go red again. See, that would have been a false entry on this green candle. And now we're waiting for green here. 430. RSI is popping a little bit.